Hey friend, welcome to Excel University, where we make learning Microsoft Excel fun. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified when new videos are uploaded. Today we are looking at how you can search for a particular word in a cell, and we're going to use this data for that purpose. We have the books of the Bible in this column A. I want to find out whether we can find any of these books of the Bible in this cell, and in this there are some books of the Bible that are hidden. So we want to use a formula to search for each of these and return whether true or false if those books can be found in the cell. And the formula we're going to use today is number and search function. To make this video easy, I'm going to do two-part video. First is just to show us how to do it, and then we're going to do the second video to show what each function is doing. Okay, let's go in. I'm going to start by typing isnumber, and then search for act in this cell, and I'm going to lock it by pressing F4. And once I'm done, I'm going to close the bracket, and that's it. You can see there is act and there is Amos, but there is nothing like Chronicles in there. So that is the first part of the video, and in the second part I'm going to show us what isnumber is doing and what search function is doing. Till then, take good care of yourself and see you then. Bye.